Hey guys, it is exceptionally warm in Plymouth today in Wisconsin. It's on the high 70 and it's a treat. So now I'm gonna walk you guys to get Casey. She's walking from school. So if you can see, we have a painting project going on here. So we're gonna fix our fence, backyard. And look, I got laundry hanging outside. So there's two ways to get to our house, either through the main road or this alley here. That's how she gets her exercise. You know, after school she walks home. And in the morning, she also uses the treadmill. And the other thing is, I made her dinner. And what's for dinner? It's the Philippine recipe called chicken adobo. That's her favorite. Alrighty, I don't see Casey. Plymouth is a very nice neighborhood, very quiet. There's a lot of parks for kids to use. Lots of small little restaurants, pizza places. And I do have my cheesy grill restaurant downtown. I only open Friday for the fish fry. You see that right there? The big cow. Her name is Antoinette. That's the sign of Plymouth. What I'm saying is, because Plymouth is known for cheese, there's a lot of major cheese factories in the area. That's why we have this big cow here. Here used to be the Plymouth Utility building. Okay, so let's go chase Casey around. I might have missed her already. Lilacs smell so good. It's spring in Wisconsin. May 13th, 2021. Most of the flowers that are out are pretty much tulips, daffodils. Somebody mowed their yard. I'm actually due to mow my yard as well. Okay, let's turn around. Yep, I don't see Casey. She's probably in the house already. Smelling the chicken adobo, and I made also boiled egg with it, and of course rice. Alrighty, I'm passing in a bit. One.
Hi guys, I just got back home from school and I cut me some oranges.
Yeah, and here I am. I was walking around the block to find you, and you're actually home.
Yeah.
Did you see the chicken adobo yet?
No. Yeah.
No? Can't you smell it at all?
Yeah, I smelled it.
Did you recognize the smell?
Yes.
Yeah. So we're going to have chicken adobo for dinner. What do you think?
Yum.
Yum.
The capital yum.
Capital yum, like Y-U-M. Oh, look at the two dogs here. Frank, Angel.
These guys just like to fight each other. It's normal.
No, they're just playing,
Yeah.
teasing each other. Okay. And what are you watching? Of course, YouTube. Look at that big screen for YouTube. Where's your YouTube? Did you look at your premiere yet?
Yeah.
Go look in your account.
Look at this, guys. We have
Not the splice.
no galactic casing.
Okay. Okay, I used the splice to
I
edit
have
her video.
126 subscribers.
Yay! Let's take a look at that. That's a wrap. The Wyoming trip.
You want to watch it?
Yeah, you can't play it though because the premiere is not until tomorrow. Casey is going to watch one of our videos. What do you think? You're on TV.
I love it. It's the best. And look at my intro.
Thanks to Giselle for editing that video. Can you turn up the volume a little bit?
Before we do that, you can know. And guys, comment down below if you've seen this video or not. See you later.
Bye. Hey there, Frank. Hey there, Frank. Let's go take Frank with us. I know, you're such a darling.
Hey guys, I'm having my dinner right now. This is the adobo and some oranges. And this is some MCT oil. You take this much before you eat dinner and breakfast.
I mean, you take it, right?
Yeah, I take it.
The MCT also about 2 tablespoons.
Which is gonna make this.
Yummy. Okay, I'm gonna let you eat your food, okay? Enjoy.